Hi, I'm Rich here with Yellowstone Post Frame. Hey, we are located here in Clark, Wyoming. We serve the Bighorn Basin, southern Montana, and also the greater Yellowstone region. We have 10 plus years of experience, and we are here to help you build your dream post frame construction. We pride ourselves in having great quality and great service as well. We build anything from barn dominiums, garages, horse barns, man caves, he sheds, airplane hangars, and also we provide DIY kits if you want to build them yourselves. We'll be having a video series on this channel showing you how to do it literally by yourself. And also there will be some video series on a couple buildings of our crew building our buildings and just showing you guys how we build them, our style of building. We got a big one coming up for a metal company that I buy my metal through. It's going to be an 80 by 150, so it's going to be a pretty big building. And also we have one in Yellowstone National Park as well, so that one will be pretty cool just to document it. And yeah, so just please like our channel, subscribe, and remember, it isn't going anywhere.